In this program, what we're going to discuss is you are given with a string, and in this string, the output should be a separation of numbers, characters, and special characters. If you understand step by step, first thing what you should do is you're going to take each character from your string, each character of your string, and you're going to do a conditional check whether it is a character or either it is an integer or either it is a special character. There is three different categories in this string. What is the first category? The one you are having a numbers, right? Take this category. Other one is what? Characters. Let's make a different category. Other one, special characters. So for each category, so I'm creating a different list. So where I can store each category of elements. Take one character from your string and you can decide whether it is a string or a number or a special character. How you can do using simple for loop. This for loop, they're gonna take one character from your input string. Okay. So what is the input string? You have to store it as a variable, right? Like this string and store it. This is your input string. Take each character. I'm taking it using for loop iteration. I'm going to take each character of my string. Okay, so let's just print this characters. See here how if you run this program, you're going to take each character and printing in a new line. Just run this right then. You're taking each character and we are printing random answers. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a conditional check. I'm going to do conditional check. If this character is alpha, which is alphabetical character, then add it to chars, just characters. Chars dot append of that character. Got it? Otherwise, if this character is a digit, is a number, add it to numbers. Before adding into the number, you just do type conversion, so it gets converted. So no need to store it as the character again. We're converting an integer and you are storing into your numbers category. Make sense? If these two categories, if this character is not belongs to any of these two categories, finally it belongs to what? A special character. Else, just do special characters. That happened. Once you are out of this for loop, all your characters of the string will be categorized into one of this section. Let's just print this value. How it gonna looks like. Just use print the numbers. Print of chars. Print of special characters. Okay. So here, let's run this program. See here, in my string, and I'm having 1, 2, 5, and 3. So these are my integers. I'm having a characters, which is alphabets, into a single list. And I separated all special characters into different. Complete iteration of your for loop, you have categorized all these things. This is one way of doing. The same thing can be achieved in a 3 different statements, 3 different lines. How you can do that? Let's discuss. This is going to be your first approach. This is your first approach. Okay. So in my second approach, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use list comprehensions. I'm directly going to use list comprehensions. Just take these numbers. What I'm going to do is take the same thing for character in your string. If this character is digit, if it is a digit, right, we're just done. Same thing, we can just change the conditional check here. We just do the conditional check from it is digit to is alpha. If it is going to be the special characters, what you have to do is it should not be either alphabetical or either your digit. Either If those conditions fail, then only this considered as a special characters. How you can do that? We just have to put this thing in a single parenthesis. This is our operator. This should not be a alphabetical character, and this should not be a number. This should not be a number. Then you have to do what? Not. This is one of them. If any one of them is satisfied, and you are just reversing it, then only add it to special characters. That is what I'm doing it. Just execute this program. You will get the same result. Your numbers are separated, and your strings are separated, which is characters are separated, and your special characters separated. And if you want this to be converted, just before adding, use type conversion. Use type conversion. That's it. Simple. Second approach to solve your problem statement.